Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly talk with you today in this educational video about a question, and that question deals with...
The question we received was, will it always be medical malpractice if a mother suffers a heart attack after giving birth?
All right, I hope that you were able to hear the question off camera, but essentially what it is that if a mother suffers a heart attack after giving birth, is this automatically going to be medical malpractice in the state of Maryland? All right, before I answer that question, I want to drop back and give you a quick foundation as to how these cases work. If you've watched some of our other videos that we have on YouTube, or if you visited our website and you read some of our educational articles, you know that to be successful in Maryland for a medical malpractice case, you must be able to show that the treating doctor fell below the standard of care owed to you at the time, and that has to be the cause of your injury or the harm done to you. And to be able to prove this, what your lawyer, the law firm that you hire, what they will do is they will reach out to medical experts and have these experts to review everything in the case. They will look at the pertinent information and they will come back with an opinion as to not only the standard of care, in other words, what would a reasonable and prudent doctor or medical professional do in the same set of circumstances. Not only will they deal with that issue, but they will tie it in and say whether a departure from the standard of care is what caused the injury. All right, now with that foundation, now we're going to move on to that question. If a mother suffers a heart attack after birth, is this automatically going to be medical malpractice? Well, when we have these types of situations, we have to do a thorough job in looking at the records, because you have to understand that giving birth is a complicated procedure. It is a lot of stress, not only on the mother, but on the baby too. So when we're looking at a situation like this, what we're looking at is after the fact, are there some things that mom was complaining of? For example, was there a shortness of breath? How was mom's blood pressure at the time? Was the mom having heart or chest pains and things of that nature? Your attorney is going to look at all of these things, and they're going to look to see what did the doctors and the nurses know at the time. Did they take a look at these signs? Because a heart attack after giving birth, that can happen in some instances, but a lot of the analysis is going to be what were the signs that were present? What did the doctors do as a result of these signs? So the reason why I'm shooting this video today is to try to help you get an understanding of this process, to let you know that your lawyers are going to have to look at everything before they can give you a definite answer as to whether medical malpractice occurred. If you have more questions about what happened in your situation, maybe you suffered a heart attack after giving birth and now you've had a lot of things that have happened since. Or maybe you're watching this video because your loved one suffered a heart attack and has subsequently died after giving birth. And again, you've got questions. You want to talk with someone about what's going on. If you have these types of things going on in your life right now, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, taking this next action costs you absolutely nothing. And what is it, Marcus? To go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice, childbirth injury, wrongful death questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I am Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.